Hello YouTube, today I'll be doing a one-handed solve with my Guhong. It'll probably be really bad around 4 minutes because I never practice at all. And trying to think. I'll be using beginner's method for last layer because I use muscle memory for all my OLL and PLL algs for Frederick method. And you can't use that on one-handed. And it was requested by this guy. Okay, let's get started. I'll be using cubemania.org for my solve, or time actually, sorry. Go. Let's add in some music so it won't be completely boring. Okay, so it's 2 minutes 25 seconds and 49 milliseconds. So I was actually able to use OLL and PLL on that one from the Frederick method two-handed. So thanks for watching. Bye.